Hi everybody. So I finally installed the mini split system in my garage. This is a 12,000 BTU, 115 volt, 15 amps service. I actually put it in the wall of the garage. I didn't want the pipe going outside, so basically cut back the sheetrock and installed the high pressure, low pressure line, and moved a service box that I had down there for 115, brought it up top so I can plug in halfway down. And I like the fact of putting a extension cord hanging down. I think it looks cleaner and neater. So tie wrapped everything together and put a piece of insulation in. This is basically the insulation you'd find in an attic. Just a little, somewhat of a vapor barrier that I put up, and the drain hose is going through, coming down in the PVC pipe, going outside. I put a little piece of wood here to stop the pipe from pushing back for any reason, so I want it nice and secure. And later on today, I'm going to put the sheetrock up and be done with it. System's working great. As for the outside, we put the unit outside in a couple of cinder blocks and pressure treated wood, along with all the tubes and all the high pressure, low pressure lines, and got a small cover for the high and low pressure line, and a drain coming out the side as well. Anyway, that's pretty much what I did. It's working great. For the garage is only 400 square feet, 2-car garage, really well insulated, but I want to make sure I have a better heat source than I've had in the past. Basically, I've been using propane heaters, and I don't want to keep on doing that. So that's it. I'll have the sheetrock up, have it plastered later on today, and that's my version of setting up a mini split in the garage.